One country that has grappled for many decades with a limited water supply is Singapore. It is categorized as a water-stressed country, a problem that many nations in the developed world are facing today. Today, Singapore consumes about 300 million gallons of water per day, which is equivalent to about 500 Olympic-sized swimming pools. By 2011, Singapore's population will consume about 30% more water. With no rivers or lakes to tap for fresh supplies, Singapore's only source of indigenous water is rainfall, collected in its 14 reservoirs.
Water is one of the most precious raw materials in the world, so the way that we're doing is actually being able to use water not just once but twice or even 3 or 4 times.
Keppel Seghers has been striving towards sustainable water technology solutions for over 30 years. One such solution is to recover the water from used water. The wastewater is first treated and then recycled using several high-tech filters. The end result is water that is clean enough to drink. This high-grade reclaimed water is called new water. Introduced by the Public Utilities Board, the National Water Agency of Singapore in 2002, new water surpasses World Health Organization drinking water standards.
We do it in a multi-barrier process. We use microfiltration as a pre-treatment step, reverse osmosis as the main treatment step, and then finally an extra safety barrier is UV.
The microfiltration removes all the suspended solids and most of the microorganisms. Reverse osmosis uses a very thin membrane, which retains all small organic materials, viruses and ions. And what emerges is water, clean enough to drink. This is the Ulu Pandan New Water Plant, which has been in operation for over a year. Singapore is 100% sewered, and as a result, all of the country's wastewater can be collected and reclaimed. The Ulu Pandan New Water Plant, owned and operated by Keppel, receives a portion of this wastewater for recycling. At full capacity, the Ulu Pandan plant is able to produce about 148,000 cubic meters of water per day, or 32 million gallons. That is about 10% of Singapore's total water needs.
It's the second largest plant of its kind in the world. It is completely built and designed with our own technology. There's no outside consultancy involved. And we are able to actually provide a support to the local government in terms of their energy, water sufficiency program.
There are also other benefits to be had by extracting water from wastewater. For example, the new water process uses only about half of the energy needed for seawater desalination. The Ulu Pandan plant is a partnership between Keppel and the Public Utilities Board in Singapore, who buy all the water that is produced by the plant. Water has been identified as a key growth area for Singapore, and the Singapore government is spending $330 million to develop the city-state into a strong and vibrant hydro hub. And companies like Keppel are leading the way in addressing the growing demand from outside Singapore for innovative water solutions.
We secured $1.5 billion of design, build and operate contract for the largest sewage recycling water and sludge treatment plant in Qatar, Middle East. This Doha North sewage water treatment plant is one of the biggest and largest water project won by a Singaporean company in the international market.
Apart from its new water technologies, Keppel also specializes in conventional and membrane-based wastewater treatment capabilities and is exporting these technologies worldwide. Today, Keppel has more than 400 water treatment projects all over the world and is developing even more innovative technologies to address the global water shortage.
We are also test bedding the new desalination technology called MEM-Steel, which harnesses waste heat from power stations, incineration plant, or any other heat emission or generation sources This MEM steel technology that is powered by waste heat and recycled heat, we believe, will be a much more cost-effective alternative to traditional desalination processes.
So Keppel Seghers continues to improve the efficiency of their technology and those of other water purification processes to provide water to the world's population that won't cost the earth.